This is part 2 of lecture 5. So why is guessing meaning and context important? Well, guessing meaning and context helps you in reading and in your vocabulary skills. So for reading, it actually helps you to become a better reader. One of the things that's a big problem is, let's say that you're reading a text or an article, and while you're reading you see a word that you don't understand. What you do not want to do is go to the dictionary, look up the word, and then continue reading. When you do that, everything that came before the word that you didn't understand, all that information that you had, you've forgotten it. So in your other classes, I'm sure your teachers have told you that you should just skip over the words, read the paragraph once, skip over the words or words that you don't know, and then come back a second time and read it. This is where guessing meaning and context comes in. It's better if you try to guess the meaning of the word based on its context, or it's the words that surround it or the sentences that surround it, rather than stopping to go and look in a dictionary. Once you get better and more skilled at guessing meaning and context, it'll work much more smoothly, and you can do this instead of looking up every word that you don't know. However, after you finish reading the passage and you've guessed the meaning of the word in context, it's still important that you go back to the dictionary to find out if your guess for the word was actually correct. You always have to do this. Guessing in meaning and context doesn't help you learn more vocabulary words, but it kind of helps you to understand how the word is working in the sentence or in the paragraph. So again, good skill to know. You should practice it, but you also need to look in the dictionary afterwards.